You guys, if you're looking to work from home, whether you have data entry skill or you have design skill or whatever skill you have, or you're a virtual assistant and you've been seeing some people getting some jobs and you've not been able to get some, well, don't worry because I'm going to help you out in this video. Now, I'm going to share with you what they are doing that you should start doing because a lot of things has changed and you probably have been applying to jobs on all these job boards that I've probably been mentioning, and unfortunately, you've not been getting anything. Now, that doesn't mean they don't work, but it's because you've not gotten the required experience they need, or your location may be restricting you, or any factor at all that can be in your way. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you what they are doing that you should start doing today to be able to be getting clients and be getting booked so you can start earning money from the comfort of your home. Now, but before we go into the video, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, for the past 3 years I've been working from home, and I'm really sorry guys, for some time I've not really made any video, but I'm going to start making videos as frequently as possible right now. So I work from home for the past 3 years, and on this channel I share my tips, experiences, job opportunities, everything I know so far on remote jobs, so you know where and how to get started. So if it's something you're interested in, please consider liking this video, subscribing to be a part of our growing community, because I promise you have a lot of things to gain from doing that, and of course it's all for free. So thank you for coming on board. Now, that being said, we're going to talk about how you can actually get any job at all, whether data entry or any job at all, as long as you have the skill. Now, because our focus on this video is data entry, if you're interested in data entry and you don't know how to get the skill, now you can go online on Google and type free data entry courses. You're going to see a lot of courses that you may want to take, or you can practice your typing speed using some websites, like you can type in test and you're going to see some websites where you can practice typing and get good. Alternatively, you can use YouTube, because YouTube is a free college that a lot of people don't like taking advantage of. Like, you're going to see a lot of videos that people have made on data entry, so you can learn the skill and know where to get started. Or if you want to learn design skill, virtual assistant, they have a lot of resources that are even for free. All you have to do is just make Google search and you're going to get what you're looking for. So that being said, the next thing you need to do is the things I'm going to mention. Especially, remember, you don't have any experience yet. The best thing for you to do is to attract your clients, and I'm going to show you how. Now, you see, a lot of people you know that are always getting jobs working freelancing from the comfort of their homes may not really be getting their jobs on places like Upwork and Fiverr. In fact, those places are so saturated and competitive that as a newbie you might struggle to get a job. So the best thing for you to do is to attract your clients. And how do you attract clients? Is by building a funnel. Now, let me explain what this means. Now, for those that don't know, a funnel is like a step-by-step process, like system you have put in place to attract whatever your goal is. It could be that you want to make a sale or you want to get clients. The funnel is the processes you have put in place to help you get that client or to help you make that sale. So that being said, as a freelancer, the best thing you're going to do is to create these systems or create these funnels that will help you attract the type of clients that you're looking for to work for from the comfort of your home. And I know the next question you'll be asking is, how can you possibly do this? But all you have to do is to focus and choose the right path for you to follow, depending on what your skill is. Take, for instance, if you're someone that has data entry skill and you're looking for a job as a data entry clerk, first you have to make your research, and everything you're going to be doing is going to be starting with making research. You're going to be searching about where your potential clients may be. Now, if you're involved in data entry, you can look for your potential clients in places like LinkedIn. So what you're going to do is you're going to optimize your LinkedIn profile and you're going to be dishing out content. It could be in form of writing or in form of short videos that you can be posting on LinkedIn to attract the right people to you. And the best part about LinkedIn is because it's a professional platform, people that may not have need for your service may know people they may recommend you to once they see that you're doing something valuable. So that's how these things work. So you can also go ahead by giving out free resources where you can have contacts that you can reach out to whenever you need to. So it's either you tell them to follow, that is the call to action, or you tell them to click a button to be able to get a freebie from you, something that can attract them, and that way you're getting their contact. Or alternatively, you're very good at what you're doing, it can convert, then you see them coming to your DM to ask, please, can you do this for me? Please, I need this service. So that is how these things work. Now, another reason why these things work is the fact that, one, it helps you like build trust with your clients, because by the time you keep showing up, they're seeing your face, they know who they are relating with. That way you build trust with your potential clients. Secondly, is that it saves you time, like the time you're supposed to be using to be sending tons of cover letters and emails to a lot of people. You're using it to create value that you're going to post and build your audience online. Another thing is it qualifies your clients. What it means is that anybody that follows you from the first process of the funnel to the last process is actually your client, and it's actually the person you should focus your energy on, not a random person that is coming to, just like and move away. So that is the best part about this. You will not have to waste your time on unnecessary things. So another thing is it puts your business on autopilot. What it means is that you don't need to have to be available all the time to be getting jobs. You can create content and go and sleep. On waking up, you're seeing messages from people that have seen the content. So that is how these things work. So that is why you really need to create a funnel as a remote worker or as a freelancer. Now, another thing you have to know is that a good funnel you have to build must have these three qualities for you to know that it's actually going to work. And one of the quality is one, awareness. What it means is that it should be able to introduce you to a lot of people, to show people that you are available, you are here, you are existing. This is what you do. They should come and patronize you. And the second one is engaging. What it means is that your funnel should be able to make people interact with you. It's not by the time you create content, nobody will like, nobody will take action, nobody will comment or contribute in any way. So that should be something that you should look out for. You have to create awareness, you have to engage with people, and of course, you should be able to reply to messages when they reach out to you or when they comment on your posts, so stuff like that. Now, the last one, which is the most important, is conversion. Since your aim is to get clients, your funnel should be able to get you clients. What that means is that the process of getting the leads to conversion of the leads is actually something that is working. And once you have discovered this thing that is working, it is not left for you to make repetition. You keep repeating the circle because you know that this is actually what is working for you. So, but looking at all these things may seem like a lot of work, but it is really worth it because one is that you're not going to be dragging clients with anybody. Anybody that's coming to your page is coming solely for you. And secondly, you can monetize these pages and start making money from it. By the time you grow your audience and all that, you can also do some partnership, or influencing in that field. So that is how these things work. Now, the problem a lot of people, including most of people that watch these videos, is they see it as a big work, and they keep going back to those job boards to apply. But by the time you just, give it a shot and stay consistent doing it, you see that it's really worth it and you see yourself getting jobs, and of course you'll be making money in other places. Like, it is something that you can do and you can stack the skill such that you can create other streams of income from that singular skill. So that is how these things work. So you have to create a funnel, channel people through that funnel to patronize what you're doing. That way it's going to save you a lot of stress. If you're looking to make any job application soon, I have created a 12-in-1 job application bundle that can allow you from the process of looking for job to the process of making application and even preparing for interview. It is all done for you. All you have to do is just to customize it and make use of it in a few minutes. Now, you can check that out with the link in the description of this video. If you're looking for other remote jobs or to have to learn about other tips about remote jobs, please do well to check out this video. And if you see value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.